What you do in the last hours before sleep can quietly shape the future of your heart and brain. Understand that the final hours of your day often dictate the long-term health of your aging heart and brain. Your cardiovascular system relies heavily on the deep restoration that happens during the night to repair daily tissue damage. Ignoring warning signs in your evening routine can significantly increase the risk of sudden stroke and dangerous cardiovascular events. Today, we identify 4 dangerous habits you must stop immediately and 4 life-saving solutions to adopt for better health. Let us begin with the first, silent killer, a habit that has invaded almost every modern bedroom in America. Staring at bright phones or tablets after 8 in the evening exposes your eyes to harsh, artificial blue light. This specific light spectrum tricks your brain into thinking it is daytime, suppressing the production of protective sleep hormones. When melatonin is suppressed, your blood pressure does not dip naturally, keeping your cardiovascular system under dangerously high stress. This constant stimulation prevents blood vessels from relaxing, maintaining a state of tension that damages delicate arterial walls overnight. The result is a fragmented sleep cycle, where the brain fails to cleanse itself of toxins accumulated during the day. Over time, this chronic lack of deep rest significantly accelerates heart aging and increases your probability of suffering a stroke. Moving to the second dangerous habit, many believe a nightcap helps them sleep, but the reality is quite different. Consuming alcohol in the evening might make you feel drowsy initially, but it severely disrupts the quality of rest. Instead of resting, your liver works overtime to process alcohol, causing inflammation and stress throughout your entire vascular system. Alcohol acts as a trigger for heart arrhythmias, causing your heart rate to spike when it should be lowest. It also causes severe dehydration and frequent awakenings, preventing you from reaching the deep sleep needed for memory consolidation. This nightly inflammation hardens arteries over time, making them less flexible and more prone to rupture or blockage problems. For seniors, the ability to process alcohol diminishes, making even small amounts in the evening dangerous for cardiovascular stability. The third habit is perhaps the most common mistake: eating heavy meals after 9 in the evening or later. Consuming calories late at night forces your digestive system to remain active when your body wants to shut down. This misalignment with your natural rhythm causes significant spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels right before you sleep. High blood sugar at night damages the inner lining of your blood vessels, creating the environment for plaque formation. Furthermore, lying down with a full stomach increases acid reflux risk, which can mimic or mask heart attack symptoms. Digestion generates heat, preventing your body temperature from dropping, which is a necessary biological signal for deep, restorative sleep. Calories consumed late are rarely burned as energy. Instead, they are stored as visceral fat linked to heart disease. The fourth risk factor is an irregular sleep pattern, specifically sleeping too little or too much on a regular basis. Studies consistently show that sleeping less than 6 hours a night keeps your stress hormones and blood pressure elevated. Conversely, sleeping more than 9 hours is often a marker of underlying inflammation or poor sleep quality for seniors. There is a safe zone for sleep. Deviating from 7 to 8 hours creates a massive strain on neurobiology. Chronic poor sleep prevents the brain from flushing out waste products associated with Alzheimer's and severe cognitive decline. This lack of cognitive maintenance leaves the brain vulnerable, brittle, and unable to withstand pressure, changes that cause strokes. These four habits create a perfect storm for health disasters, but the good news is they are within control. Now let us pivot to the positive side and explore four powerful, science-backed solutions to protect your heart health. The first protective strategy is to incorporate gentle movement, specifically walking, shortly after finishing your light evening meal. A leisurely 20-minute walk helps your muscles utilize glucose in your bloodstream without spiking your insulin levels too dramatically. This simple activity acts as a natural regulator for your blood sugar, preventing the dangerous spikes we discussed earlier. Walking also aids digestion mechanically, reducing gastric pressure and ensuring your stomach is empty before you lie down. It is important to keep the pace slow and relaxing. This is not the time for high-intensity cardio training. The rhythmic movement of walking calms the nervous system, transitioning your body from a state of stress to relaxation. Exposure to natural evening light during this walk also helps signal your internal clock that sleep time is approaching. The second solution focuses on actively reducing mental stress to lower blood pressure naturally before you get into bed. Techniques like meditation or deep breathing are proven to activate the nervous system mode responsible for rest and digestion. Just 10 minutes of deep breathing can significantly lower cortisol levels, which is crucial for protecting your arterial health. Engaging in calming activities like reading a physical book or listening to soft music replaces the anxiety of today. When you consciously relax your muscles and mind, blood vessels dilate, reducing the pressure against the delicate vessel walls. Positive social interactions with family in the evening can also release oxytocin, a hormone that directly benefits heart health. Our third solution is strict sleep hygiene, creating an environment that makes restorative sleep inevitable rather than just accidental. Ensure your bedroom is pitch black and cool, as a lower room temperature helps drop your body core temperature. Maintain a fixed sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every single day consistently. This consistency trains your brain to release sleep hormones at the right time, making falling asleep faster and easier. Remove all electronic distractions from the bedroom. Make it a sanctuary dedicated solely to your deep rest and recovery. The final and perhaps most impactful solution is to finish your last meal at least 3 hours before sleeping. Eating dinner by 7 or 8 allows your body to complete digestion before you enter the position for sleep. This fasting window triggers a process where your cells clean out damaged components and regenerate themselves during the night. With low insulin levels during the night, your body can access fat stores for energy and focus on maintenance. You will wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and with a clearer mind, ready to tackle the new day. By replacing those 4 bad habits with these 4 protective strategies, you drastically reduce your risk of suffering stroke. Health is not just about avoiding disease, it is about cultivating vitality and joy in your precious senior years. Your heart and brain have served you well for decades. Now is the time to treat them with care. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making drastic changes. But start with these gentle lifestyle adjustments today. Consistency is key. Small changes made every single evening compound into massive health benefits over weeks and months ahead. Swap that glass of wine for herbal tea and swap the late-night television for a soothing book or conversation. Prepare your environment to make these habits easy. Leave your walking shoes by the door as a visual reminder. Embrace the darkness of the night as a friend that heals you, not as a time for digital entertainment. A healthy heart rhythm is the soundtrack of a long life, and you are the conductor of that rhythm. Ending your day with gratitude and calmness sets the stage for a night of deep, healing, biological repair work. While you sleep, your brain is busy organizing memories and washing away the plaques that cause cognitive decline issues. Protecting this process is the single most important thing you can do to prevent dementia and stroke simultaneously. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear head, a steady heart, and the energy to enjoy life fully. You have the power to change your destiny, one evening at a time, by simply respecting your own biology. Remember, the temporary entertainment of a screen is not worth the permanent damage it causes to your aging arteries. The momentary pleasure of a late-night snack is not worth the long-term risk of hypertension and diabetes complications. Choose nourishment over indulgence, and choose rest over stimulation, for the sake of your future self and family. Nature has designed your body to thrive, but it requires you to follow the natural rhythms of light cycles. When the sun goes down, your body expects rest. Honor that expectation, and you will be rewarded with health. Many seniors have reversed their hypertension simply by fixing their sleep and stopping late-night eating habits under medical supervision. It is never too late to start. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal if given the chance. Think of these habits not as restrictions, but as investments in the time you have left with loved ones. Clear thinking and a strong memory are the most precious assets we have as we age gracefully and wisely. By sleeping well and eating early, you build a fortress around your brain that stroke risks cannot easily penetrate. Take control of your evening routine, starting today. Plan your dinner time and prepare your bedroom environment this evening. A clean, quiet, and cool bedroom is a medical device that is just as important as any prescription pill. Leave the digital world behind at the door of your bedroom and enter a world of peace and quiet. Let your mind settle like still water, allowing the sediment of the day's stress to sink to the bottom. Deep sleep is when the magic happens. Do not rob yourself of this miracle by staying up too late. The energy you feel tomorrow depends entirely on the discipline you maintain tonight regarding your sleep and light habits. Share this knowledge with your friends and family, because heart health is a journey we should take together. Encourage your peers to join you on evening walks. The companionship makes the healthy habit easier to stick to. Nutrition is important, but timing is everything. Remember to close the kitchen early for the sake of your heart. Waking up without an alarm clock is a sign that your body is perfectly synced with its natural rhythm. Look in the mirror and promise yourself that you will prioritize your rest, because you deserve a healthy life. Smooth blood flow is the key to preventing strokes, and evening relaxation is the best way to ensure it. Small rituals like a warm foot bath can also signal to your body that it is time to sleep. Use warm, amber-colored lighting in your home after sunset to avoid disrupting your melatonin production before going to bed. Keep your bedroom cool. A drop in temperature is a biological trigger for the onset of deep sleep. Nature provides the perfect template for rest. We simply need to stop fighting against it with modern habits. Invest in a good mattress and pillow. Your spine and neck health also contribute to blood flow to brain. Dreaming is a sign of healthy REM sleep, which is essential for emotional regulation and your mental health stability. Start your day with hydration to help flush out the toxins that your body processed during the night before. Morning movement, combined with evening rest, creates a perfect cycle of activity and recovery for your aging heart. Take charge of your health today. Do not wait for a medical emergency to force you into better habits. Join a community of like-minded seniors who value health. Social support is a powerful tool for maintaining consistency. Your golden years can be your healthiest years if you respect the biological needs of your aging body properly. Write down your worries or tasks for tomorrow before bed, so your mind is free to rest completely tonight. The news and the world will still be there tomorrow. Tonight is for you and your personal recovery time. Cherish the peace of the evening. It is a gift that allows you to reset and recharge fully. As the world slows down outside, let your internal world slow down as well, matching the rhythm of nature. Breathe in peace, breathe out stress. Let this be your mantra as you prepare for a good night's sleep. Your heart works tirelessly for you every second. Give it the break it deserves by sleeping well tonight. Close the curtains on the day with a sense of accomplishment, knowing you have done your best for health. Let the darkness wrap around you like a comforting blanket, signaling safety and time for deep restoration and rest. Walk after eating, relax your mind, optimize your bedroom, and eat dinner early to save your life today. Your health is the foundation of your family's happiness. Protect it diligently with these simple evening habits starting now. We hope this guide empowers you to make the necessary changes for a longer, healthier, and happier life ahead. Every evening is a new opportunity to get it right, and every morning is the reward for that discipline. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Tell us in the comments below which of these habits you plan to change first. We love hearing you. Thank you and see you again.